Our motto: determine L of AB. Equivalent impedance, equivalent inductance corresponding to AB. Okay, how can determine? First of all, this one make like, okay, that is dot. After that, this one is dot, and after that here dot. Okay, in between 4 Henry, in between 5 Henry, and that is 8 Henry, 10 Henry, and 6 Henry. That is A and that is B. Clear? Now, first of all, make box. If you any doubt, then make another circuit. Okay, that is 4 Henry, and this one is 5 Henry, that is 8 Henry, that is 10 Henry, and that is 6 Henry. I1 current, let us consider I1, here I2 and I3. I1 this is equal to I2, this is equal to I3, this is equal to I. Because of series, that's why all current are same. Now, I know that I2 effect on I1, that's why box here, that is J4 omega into I2. Now, another circuit, this one in L2, or you can say that corresponding to I2 current, I1 and I3 effect on I2 because of mutual inductance. Okay, that's why two box make here. Okay, after that only this effect on here, that's why make like this one. Clear? And I2 this one effect, I1 effect on this circuit, so that is J4 omega into I1, and that is J5 omega I3. Okay, now here that is J5 omega I2. Clear? Now our next target, that is J8 omega I1, and here J10 omega I2, and here that is J6 omega I3. Clear? What about polarity? I know that if you consider here this one, and this one, dot, dot, and dot. If current are flowing I1 here, then plus to minus. So I1 effect on I2 circuit because of only I2 circuit because of mutual inductance between both. That's why. So dot negative, here positive. So this one is negative, and this is I1 effect on I2 circuit. That's why minus, and this is plus. And mutual voltage, that is J4 omega into I1. Clear? Now, after that, if I2 current flow on here, that's polarity plus minus. I2 effect on I1 and I2 effect on I3. So here positive, here negative. Okay, and here positive, here negative. So that is negative, and here positive between 4 omega into I2, and corresponding to here I2 effect on I3 circuit, that is positive and negative, that is J5 omega into I2. That's why. Clear? Now next target, final. If current flowing on I3 circuit, that is plus to minus, then only effect on I2 circuit. So this one is positive, here negative, and final circuit make like this one, voltage V of AB, and here I. V of AB is written as current corresponding to, okay, that is all current are same, that's why Okay, I1, I2, I3 are same. So 8, first of all 8 omega plus 8 omega minus j 4 omega I1, sorry I, plus j 10 omega I minus j 4 omega I plus j 5 omega I and plus j 6 omega I plus j 5 omega I. Clear? So finally we got minus 4 and 8 are cancel out. Okay, and 10 20 and that is 26, that is j 26 omega I. And finally we make V of AB omega into I. So L of AB or equivalent of AB, that is 26 Henry. This is the final answer. Make it clear. That is equivalent inductance between A and B, that is AB, 26 Henry. Make it clear. Very simple. First off, make very simple way like this one. After that, break like this one for simplicity point of view. After that, I1 effect on I2, not L1 effect on L2, not effect on this one. Why? Because of no mutual inductance between L1 and L3. That's why only one box make. After that, this one is effect on L1 and L2. That's why two box. After that, this one effect on L3, sorry L2. That's why like this one. Okay, clear? Make it.